forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss more problem based on application of matrix and determinant. Question number 1. Solve the system of following equations. So there are three equations are given, 2 by x, 3 by y, 10 by z equal to 4. So no need to let 1 upon x equal to u, 1 upon y equal to v. You can write directly corresponding matrix equation is in matrix equation, in first matrix we write coefficient of x by z. So this time write coefficient of 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Coefficient of 1 by x 2, coefficient of 1 by y 3, 10, 4, minus 6, 5, 6, 9, minus 20. In second bracket, in place of x, y, z, we can write 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon z, and is equal to 4, 1, 2. Let us consider this is matrix A. So we get Ax equal to B. Give equation number 1. Now find determinant A. Determinant A is equal to 2 in bracket this into this. So 120 minus 9 5 ja 45 minus 3 minus 80 minus 30 plus 10 9 4 ja 36 plus 36. Now simplify 120 minus 45. So 75 to ja 150. 80 or 30 110 minus 110 into 3 plus 330 plus 72 into 10 720. अब now 8 700 or 300 1000 1100 or 1200. So equal to 1200, not equal to 0. अब determinant A not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. So Ax equal to B. Then next step we can write X equal to A inverse B. Now find A inverse. For this find cofactor matrix and then adjoint and then inverse. So now find cofactor of each of the elements. Cofactor of 2 3 10 2 3 10 फिर एक स्पेस छोड़ना है 4 minus 6 5 4 minus 6 5 6 9 minus 20 बार बार लिखने के बजाय यूज दिस सिंबल equal to sign equal to sign equal to sign plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now bracket now cofactor of 2 this into this 120 minus 45 same as. So 120 minus 45 75. Cofactor of 3 minus 80 and minus 30. So minus 110. After this cofactor of 10 9 4 are 36 plus 36 72. Now cofactor of 4 minus 60 and minus 90 minus 150. cofactor of minus 6, minus 40 and minus 60, minus 100. Now cofactor of 5, 9 2 ja 18 minus 18, so 0. Cofactor of 6, 5 3 ja 15 plus 60, 75. Cofactor of 9, 5 2 ja 10 minus 40, so minus 30. And last minus 20, minus 12 minus 12 minus 24 equal to equal to equal to equal to equal to equal to. Now write 75 110 72 150 minus 100 0 75 30 minus 24. So therefore cofactor matrix 75 110 72 150 minus 100 0 75 30 minus 24. So therefore adjoint A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. So transpose of this 75 110 72 150 minus 100 0 75 30 minus 24. Next step, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A, where determinant A not equal to 0. 1 upon determinant A 1200 and adjoint A 75 110 72 150 minus 100 0 75 30 minus 24. अब now x equal to A inverse B. X means 1 upon x, 1 upon y or 1 upon z is equal to A inverse 1 upon 1200 75 110 72 150 minus 100 0 75 30 24 into matrix B, means this 4 1 2 1 upon 1200. अब now this into this 75 into 4 300 plus 150 into 1 150 and 75 to ja 150. Now 110 into 4, so 440 minus 100 plus 60. 72 4 ja 4 to ja 8 4 7 ja 28 plus 0 and plus 48 equal to 1 upon 1200 300 plus 150 plus 150 600 440 plus 60 500 minus 100 400 288 plus 48, sorry, minus 24 minus 24 and here minus 48. So 288 minus 48 240. I'm now divide by 1200. 600 by 1200 1 by 2, 400 by 1200 1 by 3 and 240 upon 1200 1 by 5. On comparing 1 upon x equal to this, 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 3, 1 upon z equal to 1 upon 5, implies x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. Next, if P equal to this is the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix A and determinant A equal to 4, find alpha. Since determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 1, where A is the square matrix of order n. अब here P is the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix, means adjoint A. In place of this we can write P. So determinant P is equal to determinant A means 4 and raised to the power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1, 2. Next step, determinant P 1 1 2 alpha 3 4 3 3 4 is equal to 16. Now this is simple question, linear equation in one variable. Simplify 1 as it is, expanding along R1. So write 1 as it is, and 3 4 are 12 minus 12. Then minus alpha 4 minus 6. Then plus 3 4 minus 6 is equal to 16. Now simplify. First term is 0, 4 minus 6, so minus 2, so plus 2 alpha, 4 minus 6, minus 2 into 3 minus 6 equal to 16. So 2 alpha equal to 22, so alpha equal to 11. Next question 3. If the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix P is, so this is adjoint of matrix P, means we have adjoint P is equal to 1 2 1 4 1 1 4 7 3. Then find the possible values of determinant of P. So first find determinant of adjoint P is equal to 1 3 minus 7, then minus 4, expanding along R1. So minus 4, 2 3 are 6 minus 7 plus 4, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 6 minus 7 minus 1 or minus 4 plus 4 and plus 4. 4 or 4 cancel, so we get 4. So value of adjoint P equal to 4. Now since we know that determinant of adjoint P is equal to determinant A raised to the power 2 n minus 1, this is the relation. Next step, determinant adjoint P means 4 is equal to determinant A whole square. So value of determinant A is equal to plus minus 2, and please write formula in bracket. Determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 1, where A is a square matrix of order n. Next problem, if A square minus A plus identity matrix equal to 0 matrix, then the inverse of A is, there are 4 options. So first simplify, A square minus A plus I equal to 0 matrix, multiply by A inverse. So A inverse into A square minus A inverse into A plus A inverse into identity matrix equal to A inverse into 0 matrix. A inverse A square, we can write A into A. So write 1A with A inverse and 1A only as it is. A inverse into A, identity matrix. A inverse into identity matrix, A inverse. And any matrix into zero matrix, zero matrix. A inverse into A, identity matrix into A minus I plus A inverse is equal to zero matrix. Identity matrix into matrix A minus identity matrix plus A inverse equal to zero matrix. So therefore A inverse equal to, send that side, this is zero matrix minus this. So I minus A. So which option is correct? A. In next video we will do more questions based on property of determinants and matrices. Thank you. Have a nice day.